Welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars, and on your screen you do see the TUDOR Black Bay 58 in 18 karat gold. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and yep, let me directly go into medias res while you are still watching, probably being astonished what you are seeing on your screen. Yes, TUDOR dares and brings out the Black Bay 58 in a full gold version, including the so-called free link bracelet at TUDOR. I call it oyster bracelet, but beautifully done. It's a full gold bracelet. It's not capped or something like this. The entire weight of the watch is 193 grams.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So for those of you being interested in technical details, here they come. Always, WatchAdvisor is well known for this, to give you all information about the watch. I said it before, 193 grams, 39 millimeters is the case diameter. The thickness of this full gold watch is 12.7 millimeter. The lug-to-lug distance is 49 millimeter. And the so-called dial aperture, this is exactly what you can see or where you can read the time from. It's 31 millimeters. 200-meter waterproof. Concerning the tapering, there were also some discussions in our videos we already published about the Black Bay 58 GMT and the Black Bay Diver. There have been some comments coming where people said, yes, but Alexander, it is 20. Yes, it is. In between the lugs, we do have 20. This is nothing that should be discussed. But then if we measure the bracelet itself, it has to be a little bit less thick, otherwise it would touch the lugs from the inside. So you have a little bit less because you need some space to make it also movable. And the bracelet, where the bracelet starts, it's less than 20, it's 19 point something. We can't measure it up to the 1/10 of a millimeter, but it's 19.5, maybe a little bit more. And then from 19.5, it tapers down to 16 in the clasp. And this is also correct information for the Black Bay 58 GMT and the Black Bay. We had some discussions in the comments already about this information I gave before. If you're wondering why it is not ticking, I can tell you there's no movement inside, but I will show you. So you can see how they present the watches. This is how it looks like from the backside. They do always put in weight. So the weight of the entire watch is exactly 193 grams. So instead of having a movement in there, they put some weight in there to give you the feeling of having a movement. Normally you would see a transparent case back here. It is a sapphire crystal and you would see the movement, but in this case you can't. But I do have a little surprise for you. I got the version that they presented before. This is a functional version. I have been stopping the watch. You see, I pushed in the crown and it suddenly starts to tick, and this is exactly the same movement, exactly the same watch. So what's missing in the version we are showing, the full gold version, is the movement, but this is the watch. Here, it is covered. You can't see it either, I know. But there is a movement in here. And now comes the interesting information for you guys. If you bought once, this is the other one, both of them are here. If you bought either the version with the leather strap or the one with the canvas NATO strap in 2021, you are entitled to upgrade your watch. And now listen carefully, you may upgrade your watch to the full gold version as you see it here. And the additional price you have to pay to get the bracelet, the free link bracelet in full gold, including the T-fit mechanism, is 17,350 Swiss francs. 17,350 Swiss francs. You can upgrade your watch to become a full gold version. So TUDOR will sell the bracelet as a spare part in the boutiques. This was the information I wanted to give you. And I said it before, the legendary T-fit, here you have it. That's the T-fit mechanism. You pull and slide. Yeah, I made it in a camera. Look, you pull and you slide, T-fit, including everything. Also gold, of course. unidirectional turning bezel, a green dial. Yeah, nothing I have to explain you because you can clearly see it on your screens. But yeah, I have to say they dare, and yeah, by daring, it is a cool thing. And the price of the watch in 18 karat gold is 30,000 Swiss francs. 30,000 Swiss francs. Full gold version, 193 grams in my hand. And if you upgrade from a version that Tudor presented in 2021, the upgrade price to buy the bracelet is 17,350. So what do you think? This is something I would like to ask you in the comments. What do you think, guys? Is it okay that Tudor sells a watch for 30,000 Swiss francs with a full gold bracelet in a weight of 193 grams? Is it too early to do that as a brand like Tudor? Would you buy such a watch? Would you wear it? Give me all your thoughts. I'm really keen to read your comments. And yeah, let's discuss it. And yeah, one information, since we have been talking lots about METAS certification, you know that the Black Bay 58 GMT and the Black Bay Diver in the monochrome look, they are METAS certified. This is the toughest certification the Swiss industry has. Really tough. If you are interested to understand better what this is, read the descriptions in the videos of the two other watches I just mentioned. This watch is chronometer, is COSC, is a chronometer, is COSC certified. COSC certifies the watches -4 +6, and Tudor internally slims this down to -2 +3. So this is the Tudor standard, -2 +3, ultra precise. Chapeau, you have to say. And yeah, now it's up to you. Your comments. Thanks for watching a video about the Tudor Black Bay 58 in 18 karat gold, 193 grams laying on the table. Your comments are welcome. Bye-bye, guys.